Hi Kamara babes, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. The hair that I will be doing today is from YMS. Let's get that name right. These are the things that you will be getting in the package. It is an 18-inch. It's also a 4x4 closure. The hair texture is Brazilian body wave. Y'all get into these ombre colors, these blondes and browns for the summer. Yes, ma'am. So 18-inch, it did hit the link check. I did like the way the lace melted. The hair was a little bit more softer than others. The density is more of a natural texture to me. Y'all, this is me showing you the inside of the unit. It also has the combs, of course, showing the 4x4. It has the adjustable straps, and of course that back comb for good support. So ladies, stay tuned for this install. The hair is really pretty. I don't ever know what I'm gonna do into each video, so that's always going to be a surprise at the end, because I don't know what I'm going to do and you don't know, but we're willing to wait to see at the end of this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video. If you have made it this far, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time your girl posts. See you after the install. So ladies, we're back and this is my finishing result. Are y'all feeling it as much as I'm feeling it? Are y'all feeling it as much as I'm feeling it? Look at these curls and these colors. Popping. Yes, ma'am, they are popping. Y'all ready for the summer. This hair is super pretty. It's very natural, as I said in the beginning of the video. It's not a super thick unit. It's not super thin. It's more of a natural look. So that's the look that I was going for. I just wanted some soft, pretty wand curls, and that's the look that I wanted to achieve doing this style. So thanks to YMS Girls, because y'all made your girl look beautiful. Yes. So like I said at the bottom, at the beginning of the video, all the information will be linked below if you guys are interested in this unit. Y'all, because I'm going to give it, a 10 out of 10. I'm giving this unit a 10 out of 10 just because I'm in love with these colors. It was already plucked, so if you're not good with plucking, this is a beautiful unit for you. Put your style in it and get going. Ladies, it's super quick to do. So that'll be it. I love you guys.